This week, the Biden administration striking a deal with Iran to swap prisoners and release $6 billion in frozen Iranian oil revenue. Now, Iran will release 5 American citizens detained there, and the U.S. is going to release 5 Iranian citizens held in the U.S. Tell us more about this and the implications here for the oil market. We want to bring in Yahoo Finance reporter Rick Newman. Rick.
Hey, Sean, every time I hear something involving a deal between Washington and Tehran, I think about oil. Now, there is nothing about oil in this particular deal. It's freeing up some Iranian money that is held in South Korea in exchange for perhaps 5 hostages. But energy analysts I follow say there is a quiet behind-the-scenes effort going on between the Biden administration and the regime in Iran to find ways to get more Iranian oil onto the market. And this involves the sanctions on the Iranian nuclear program. So it is complicated, and it's unlikely we will ever hear the Biden administration make some sort of announcement about oil. In other words, we're easing up sanctions on Iran, and they are going to be exporting more oil. But that is what the Biden administration wants to happen. And why do they want that to happen? Well, we've seen production cuts, big ones by Saudi Arabia and also by Russia. That has pushed oil prices up. And we know gasoline prices here in the United States are a liability for President Biden, who's trying to get reelected, pushing back up toward $4 a gallon, which would be a real problem for him. So the Biden administration very quietly is doing everything it can behind the scenes to get more oil on the global market. So watch for that possibly happening with Iran, also Venezuela, and some other countries I think they're working on.